What is up everyone, it's Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Gmail account. So if there is a Gmail account that you have on your phone or on your computer, I'm going to show you how to do that. First we'll be starting with the Android phone, and I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to not only delete your Gmail account completely, but also you have the option of downloading the data that that particular Google account holds. So I'll go through that option first, and then the second option we will run through on the computer, and I'll show you how to delete your account that way also. So just before we delete our Gmail service, I just want to make you aware of a few things. First and foremost, your emails will be deleted. You will no longer be able to use that Gmail address to send or receive emails. Your Gmail address can't be used by anyone else in the future. So that's just to make you aware of what's going to happen before we delete our Gmail account. So if you're on an Android phone, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your settings. And then you want to then find the option where it says Google, and then under it, it's your Google settings. So this is the option that we want to go into. So at the top, it'll show you the particular Gmail address that you are wanting to delete. If this isn't the email address that you're wanting to delete and you have a few other email addresses on your phone, then you can click the little downward arrow and select the other email address. So what we want to do now is go to manage your Google account. And then what we want to do is go to where it says data and personalization. So basically what you want to do is go to the download, delete, or make a plan for your data. You have the option here at the very top for downloading any of your data. So what we'll do is we'll click on this, and then it'll ask us to select whatever, again you can select whatever email address it is that you're wanting to download the data from. And then it runs through what it may or may not be holding for you. So you've got stuff like your calendar, your bookmarks, and your history from Google Chrome, your contacts. You can see it gives you an option for quite a lot. And then what you would need to do then is just follow the next step, and that will give you the option then to download your information. Okay, so that's if you do want to save any of the information from that Google account. Now then, the next thing you would want to do on your phone is hit the option for delete a service or your account. You can do this if you no longer use a service or your account. Okay, so you have a few different options. What we're wanting to do is permanently delete the Google account. Now, I'm not going to do this straight away because I have to show you how to delete this account on a desktop. So that's basically what you would do. You would tap on this section, delete your Google account, and then that would be you good to go. So that's how to do it on the phone. And now I'm going to show you how to delete your Google account from your desktop computer. So the first thing that you need to make aware is, if you see this little icon over here, you need to make sure that you are signed in to the particular Google account that you want to delete, which is this one here that we're going to select. What we're going to do here is the same sort of thing that we did on the phone. We're going to go to manage your Google account, and this is going to open another page. So we need to go to the left hand side and tap on where it says data and personalization. So we'll click into here, and again it gives you the same sort of controls that you had on your phone. You do have the option to download your data, but again we're going to delete a service on the account. So what we're going to do anyway is delete this particular account. So let's go ahead and do that now. So you get the option to delete the Google service or delete your Google account altogether. So this is what we want to do. We want to permanently delete the Google account. So we just need to verify our password. So I'm going to do that now. and I'm just going to hit the next button. And then this will run you through basically what you're deleting. So you can give that a read over in your own time. I'm happy enough with the account that I'm deleting. This Google account up recently and I no longer need it. So I'm going to tap on both of these terms and conditions, and then I am going to delete the account. So let's delete that. And we're now just going to hit the continue button. And there you can see your Google account and all its data has been deleted. If you accidentally deleted your Google account, you have a short amount of time to recover it. So you can go to this little section here where it says account support and then follow the steps. So guys, that is how you delete a Google account permanently from your phone and also from your laptop. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful in any way, be sound and give it a thumbs up. If you do want to see more videos like this, then tune in and subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, you've been watching and listening to Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech. Peace.